Hello, hello. Kumusta kayo? Andito ako ngayon. Ako si Ada. I'm one of the nurses nag-join sa Hilo. Mapapansin ninyo maraming mga medical professionals ang nag-join sa World GN kasi they were able to appreciate yung values, opportunity, especially kung may mga medical knowledge ka. Maintindihan ninyo kung bakit napakahalaga ng product na to and why we want everyone to have this. So let me start. Sa mga interesado and you want more information later on, please go to hilosabisisters.com and kami po ay may isa akong team dyan sa Pilipinas na what we call the Hilo World PH team. Meron kaming website also. And so if you join, please let us know. Contact your sponsors. If you need more information, let them know. So I'm here. Currently, naka-station ako sa Japan, but I am based in Florida. So I want to let you know why I am so excited about this product. There you go. Alam mo naman, when there's a product, especially sa MLM, sabi nga ni Bill Gates, the secret of success in business is in detecting where the world will go and get there first. Hilo is your most advanced wearable. Kaya itong business na to, even though they say it's MLM, it is very, very different sa mga alam nyo ng MLM. So please listen to the more explanation. Sabi ng mga maraming experts, even magazines and financial experts, there is a big market sa wearable technology. Hindi pa natin na-harness fully ang wearable technology. And I would like you to know, ang Hilo ang number one. Kasi even though Fitbit sells a lot more than Hilo right now, maraming experts ang nagsasabi na you need to have sensors to really detect and help you with your health. 34 billion ang expected na sales by 2020. It's only 2017. Na makikita ninyo, it just will keep increasing, mag-i-improve pang technology, and I wouldn't worry sa improvement kasi we are way ahead. Nakikita naman ninyo, ang laki-laki ng potential natin. So this is the time to get in. Kaya nga sabi, follow the trend, follow the money. Gusto kong show you, I think you've seen yung commercial, but I'd like you to all see it again para makita ninyo kung what I mean about this business. Oh, where did it go? Safari siguro. There you go. Hilo.
Introducing Hilo, the world's first health and lifestyle oracle, a real-time health monitoring device unlike any other wearable device on the planet. Hilo can monitor the most important measurements, including heart rate, blood pressure, breath rate, daily steps, calories burned, and Hilo can even perform an EKG. Hilo can also sense your mood if you're excited or even if you're fatigued. Paired with the latest smartphone application, you can now track the health and well-being of your loved ones. Imagine being able to monitor your aging parents even if you're thousands of miles away, or getting an alert if your spouse's blood pressure is too high. Hilo not only monitors your important measurements, but it produces a daily, weekly, and monthly health report that you can provide to your trainer or physician. In the near future, Hilo will be able to monitor blood sugar levels, alcohol levels in our blood, oxygen levels, temperature, and even keep disease-delivering mosquitoes away. But Hilo is more than the world's most advanced health monitoring device. Hilo can also alert you if your loved ones are in danger. Unfortunately, more and more women and children go missing each day, according to the FBI. With Hilo, a child walking home from school can now press the panic button twice, and his or her Hilo guardians can be sent an emergency alert via text, notifying their guardians that they need help. And what's amazing is that the guardians will get the exact GPS location of their loved one. Let's take a look at another scenario. What if you're taking a walk around your neighborhood and you sense danger lurking? Having that peace of mind to simply alert your loved ones can be a lifesaver. Now that you've seen the power of this revolutionary product, I'm positive you're ready to order one for you and your family members. However, Hilo is not found in stores. Hilo can only be purchased online, so click on the Buy It Now link or fill out our form to get more information about the Hilo right now.
So, ayan, nakita niyo. And why not excited kami sa product na to. Sorry about it. Alright? It's kind of hard when like this. And let's go back sa product. Again, uulitin ko, nakita niyo yung commercial. I am very, very excited kung sa product na to. Ang dami-dami niyang potentials, ang dami-dami niyang pwedeng gawin. Saan kayo nakahanap ng ganitong product? Meron na siyang nag-check ng blood pressure niyo or what I call vital signs. Nag-check pa ng EKG ninyo. It tracks even your sleep, paghinga ninyo, emotions, steps, calories. Lalo, alam din kung pagod kayo o hindi. And it does, yun, monitor niyo sarili ninyo para you do some steps para maiayos or maalagaan ninyo mabuti ang sarili ninyo. And if you will notice too, it does monitor your loved ones remotely. Meron siyang vital signs na setup. Ilalagay ninyo doon kung anong setup like that. Para kung mawala yun, I mean, it goes outside the range na sinasabi. You na anak ka, kung nanay mo nandito sa Pilipinas and you're overseas, monitor mo ang parents mo. Even then, you're not overseas. Kung kahit na remotely separated kayo or geographically separated, you can still track kung ano ang situation ng family member ninyo na merong suot nito. And pag doctors naman kayo, if you will let your patients wear this, it does alert you immediately kung ang mga pasyente ninyo are getting like yung mga trends ng vital signs nila. So that way, monitor ninyo at makakapag-plan kayo ng mabuti sa kanilang care. It does improve quality of care and that is why I'm very excited about this. Tapos meron din siyang panic button. Alam niyo naman, kung minsan nasisiraan tayo and then we don't know our location, press that button and nasiraan kayo ng sasakyan, you can tell your family member where to meet you o kaya kung sino man yung gusto nyong i-notify. And then also, just in case, sabi nga sa commercial, may nag-stalk sa inyo or may nangyari sa parents niyo or yung nanay ninyo na nararamdaman niyang sumasakit meron siyang sakit or bigla siyang nahulog or anything that she needed help, ayan, ipapress lang niya and then you know exactly where she is. Kaya napakalaki ng advantage ng product na to and this is why talagang we know that this will be the number 1 product in 2017. Meron din siyang health-enhancing stones na makakatulong for circulation. This is a personal testimony. Meron akong shoulder pain. I did get some steroid shots, pero hindi agad nakatulong. Then, eventually, I did my range of motion exercises. And then, nung ginamit ko tong Hilo, I did notice improvement. It's probably just my mind. But, it did improve a lot. Kaya, I'm already using the product anyway. So, I can say na it may be related to that or not. But, meron tayong scientific evidence on how the improvement of circulation is. Kaya yan, makikita niyo sa mga pictures. Right? Marirelease din ito ang mga stiffness and anything pain, yung mga pain ninyo because it does balance your body ions. Ngayon, maniwala kayo, there's no comparison. Here it is. I have Fitbit. I bought Fitbit and this is all what it does. Okay? Fitbit sold 20 million units. Tayo, we only have sold about 1 to 3 million ata. I do not have the latest statistics. And look what it does. Ang Hilo natin compared sa iba. Ayan, Apple iWatch, $350. Ang Fitbit is $330. Ours is $319. Hilo is $319. And there is no comparison. Marami pang papasok na product. Marami pang app. Nag-upload na lang yan. Samantalang ang Fitbit and Apple, you need to buy a new one every time na may bago silang mga features. While with Hilo, mag-upgrade na lang yan automatically. With your World Hilo App Pro, libre lahat ng app ninyo. The future is bright. We have teamed with big company, ang daming product pipeline. Hindi lang Hilo ang eventually ibebenta natin or magkakatulong sa inyo at sa health ninyo. Alright? unlimited ang potential. The world ay yung blood glucose na lang. Isipin nyo, bloodless monitoring. Tapos, meron pang mosquito repellent. Eventually, makatipid na lang kayo sa dengue. And you save yourself from Zika and dengue. That itself pay for the value of Hilo. Yung cost ng Hilo. I will skip this one kasi it just introduces you the Hilo LX, which nakikita nyo sa mga pictures nyo dyan sa Pilipinas. And all over, pagpunta kayo sa mag-visit ng mga other websites, especially sa World Hilo, sa HiloSabiSisters.com, makikita ninyo yung LX. Meron ding tayong Biozen. Biozen does help because it reduces harmful effects of electrosmog. Kayo naman, alam niyo naman ang radiation from all sources. Yung cellphone natin, it produces heat, what we call the electrosmog. Pag yung Biozen nilagay ninyo, it does transform it para acceptable sa katawan and it doesn't cause any harm sa body. So as you can see, ito ang without Biozen, nakikita nyo yung heat. Tapos ito, ang effect, hindi kayo ganong na-break down ang cells, just like on these pictures. The company, why I'm so excited about the company, we have experts and pioneers of technology. Fabio Galdi, he has proven himself to be a pioneer, an innovator. He leads a lot of things since 1994 to 2005, and now he is doing this product with other, innovators in the business. Ngayon, our Chief Design Officer is Antonio De Rosa. If you know or you don't know him, siya ang isa sa mga nag-design ng Apple iPhone and tsaka Apple iWatch. So you see, we have great people running this company. Kaya napaka-deep ng product pipeline natin. This is not flash in the pan. This business is here to stay. Marami din recognition, right? And one good thing you gotta remember, guys, this is very important compared sa ibang multi-level networking company or multi-level marketing companies. Isa tayo, we are listed sa public, sa USA stock market. And I actually, for transparency, I have stocks sa World Media kasi I bought it nung nalaman ko yung product when I was doing my research, and I was very thankful na bumili ako kasi it made me money. And my main reason I bought is kasi alam ko na yung product nila, I am selling it. So it is part of my loyalty. I really believe in the product, so I bought the stocks. And we are global. We are all over 195 countries. Pag may internet at nakaka-ship and they receive shipment, we can sell our product. Ngayon, ito ang big news. Kaya nga nagtatagalog kami. We are presenting this in Tagalog. Mostly na makikita ninyo, it is in English or other languages. Ngayon, meron na tayong Tagalog. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit? World GN is coming to your country. Pupunta sila sa Pilipinas on March 18 and eventually they will be opening ang ating headquarters. It will be open this year sa Pilipinas. The Philippines is one na target nila and on their market study na magiging adapter nitong product na to. Kaya get in early. Wag na kayong mag-wait because people will be buying this. Kung nakita ninyo noon, yung Apple, yung iPhone, it is gonna sell. It may not sell as big as that, but eventually people will understand this is not just a product. This is something that we need for our lives. Napakarami ng mga yumaman dito, and I'm just gonna show you kung sino sila at kanilang estimated income. Ito, okay, just managing your expectation kasi alam ko sa multi-level company, they promise you wealth. This time, this is real. Hindi ito. Kasi ikaw, bibili ka ng product mo, gagamitin mo, tapos nagtutulungan kayo. This is not just the routine multi-level company. So why do you think maraming doctors, professionals, and even nurses like me na nagjo-join? We have We don't need, everybody needs money. but we have stable income. Bakit kami nagsasalita in front of you and putting our faces? Because we believe in this product at naniniwala kami sa income potential nito. Just imagine, when I've signed up for this, ang una ko naisip, mga family and friends ko, kasi alam ko, based on my study, na this can make them money. Kung makakatulong ba naman ako, bakit hindi? So I want you to please listen to your sponsors, and pag mga tanong kayo, when they are doing their pitch, pag may mga tanong kayo, please ask them or email me. So, do not forget, we also have Facebook page at Hello Savvy Sisters. Yan, I chose the right business. I did my research, so I'm pitching this. So compensation, I'd like you to understand ang compensation. Kaya para maniwala kayo na hindi lang nitong may improve ang health ninyo, but pati ang inyong financial future. Okay? To become, para maka-join kayo and take advantage of the commissions and everything, you first have to become a team member. Dapat mamili ka ng pack kung paano ka papasok. Either as a partner member or tinatawag naming Hilo Box Set, which is 1, or the executive pack or the family pack, which is 4+1, or yung premium pack na 5+1, and through BioSend. So anywhere nito mamili kayo, you can join. Tatandaan lang ninyo, okay, only itong 3 product na itong product na to has equivalent total volume commission percentage. Kaya habang maaga, mag-decide kayo kung ano ba ang gusto ninyo, 10% or 20% sa total volume commission. However, itong napakaganda sa business na to. Once you buy something, we will give you a website. Walang joining fee. Bumili lang kayo, meron na kayong website. Walang maintenance fee. That comes with a business suite and everything, pati mga accounting. Doon yung makikita ang mga commissions ninyo. At pag may bumili sa website ninyo or you personally register and sponsor, meron kayo agad na fast start bonus, which is 10% ng purchase price nila. Just say bumili sila ng box set. That's $32 sa inyo immediately. Pag personally sponsored ninyo siya. Pag family pack, you make $135. You have the potential to make a lot of money. I'm not even going to say $600,000 weekly. I'm not. Kasi managing expectation, I know you will be starting. But aren't you happy with $500 a week? All right. Why not, right? That's $2,000. Lalo na kung ito part-time work nyo lang. I'm just doing this part-time on my days off. Kaya ito, nakikita ninyo, and I am so happy. I'm not being greedy. I make enough. I got my money back. And I'm also helping people kasi pag pinasok ko sila, they can see they're using the product, they can track their health, and they're also making money. That's why I am really, really excited dito sa company ito. Now, the second step is to be a team builder. Pero tatandaan nyo, to become a team builder and get the total volume commission, you need to get the loyalty pack or loyalty membership, which I will explain later. To be a team member, you have to bring one on your left, whichever really, it's not left and right. Basta yung tinatawag nating power of 2. Magdala kayo ng dalawa, mag-sign up sila, and you automatically become a team builder. It doesn't matter kung family pack sila pumasok or partner pack. The only thing that would matter is kung paano ka pumasok. Are you executive or partner pack? Kasi the commission on the team volume is based there. Kung 20% ka or 10%. Sa team ball ay sa pagiging team member, hindi na yan mawawala for life. Especially pag nagbabayad ka ng loyalty membership. You stay in there, lahat ng commission, kung ano man mabenta ng member mo, you will make money from it. Alright? Next. Pagkatapos mo maging team builder, ang goal mo is to become a team developer. Actually, this would be your basic goal. Maging team developer. And what you do is just create team builders left and right. Okay? Again, yung power of 2. Dala nila, dalawa. Bago naman sila mag-sign up may idea na sila kung sinong mga kukunin nila or mga prospects nila. Kaya napakadaling mag-build up into this. As a team developer, mapapansin mo, ma-unlock mo ang career path recognition. Magkakaroon ka na ng rank. You will come in as silver immediately. Tapos, magkakaroon ka ng matching generation bonus. Alright? At mag-o-open to. Kung naging diamond ka, you will get a lot of perks. Tapos, pataas ka na ng pataas sa ranking. These are just samples of ang mga makukuha ninyo once you increase in ranks. Again, uulitin ko, become a team member, become a team builder, and finally, become a team developer para mag-increase kayo sa rank. Okay? That's how you make money in this business. These are your rankings. Now, let me talk about loyalty membership. So, naririnig naman ninyo, it pays to be loyal. And this is why it does. Kasi, pag naging loyal member kayo, you will earn commissions and you keep your sales volume. Remember, pag hindi kayo nag-sign up for loyalty membership, fast-track bonuses lang ang makukuha ninyo. So, kung may nakuha naman kayong dalawa, tapos may makukuha silang dalawa, you might as well sign for loyalty membership so you can take advantage of all the possible income potentials. It does give you also yung Hilo App Pro. So, kung pumasok kayong executive plan, libre na agad yan, 5. Kung partner pack lang kayo, pwede ninyong ibenta yan, yung Hilo App Pro. Kasi kung ibang mga pumapasok, nagaya din ninyo na single pack lang, usually they don't wanna buy loyalty kasi user lang sila. Then, just sell them the Hilo App Pro and you can make $12. Diba? Kung hindi yung kailangan for your loyalty membership. For your Hilo pack. Meron din kayong cloud, which is $349 in value. Tapos meron kayong protection plan. Kumaga sa kotse, ito yung bumper to bumper. Pero the advantage dito sa Hilo protection plan, after paying 3 months consecutive, after the third month, diyan magte-take effect ang protection plan ng Hilo. Okay? Papalitan nila ang Hilo ninyo pag nasira. We sell this for $99 value kung hindi kayo papasok as loyalty member. So, it does pay. Tingnan nyo na lang. Kung gusto nyo ng protection, you might as well get in the loyalty membership kasi babayaran kayo to be a member. Ngayon, meron din kayong 75 loyalty points na pwede nyo pang shopping. Pwede nyo pambili ng Biozen o kaya pwede nyo pambili ng another Hilo. Sabi nila lately, I'm still a little confused about this, but you will get Hilo and Infolio. Wala pa yung Infolio. It will be available hopefully by the end of the year or early next year. Pero, as you can see, kung you will be buying it with your loyalty points. Kung itong dalawang to, you make 900 sa loyalty points. This is almost like 920. So, ang kailangan nyo lang magdagdag ng $20 if you will have to use your loyalty points. Pero kung we are doing well and we have clarifications later, ang baka free Hilo kayo and free Infolio. Come on guys, this is like getting free products by just being a loyal member. Ngayon, ang another advantage, yung extra 1% sa total volume commission nyo. Binayadan na kayo ng 20% ha. Ngayon ang company, monthly, nagtatabi pa ng 1%. Makukuha nyo to after paying 12 consecutive months. So, bali pag 1 year kayong member na wala kayong gaps, you get additional 1%. So, iisipin niyo meron kayong parang tinatabi at the end of the year, pang shopping or pang gastos, you won't even think of this, parang tinatabi lang automatic for you by the company. Lalo na kung malaki ang team volume, oh my God, you will be surprised at the end of the year kung magkano makukuha ninyo. And then, if you look at this fully, ganito karami, you make about $1,400 plus loyalty back. Sayang investment mo lang $708. Diba? Ano naman, ang laki-laki talaga ng return sa inyo na magiging loyal member. And you have to remember, hindi pa kasali yung commission kasi you only earn commission and keep sales volume pag loyal member kayo. And one thing I am excited about is this. Pag pumili ka na loyal membership, they give you back your $6. So, bali $53 a month na lang. At iisipin nyo pa to ha, by staying loyal member, maski halimbawa, hindi kayo makapagbenta for that month, you can still, lalo pag team developer na kayo, you can still get the generation bonus. Lalo kung maraming binibenta yung mga generation 1 and 2 ninyo. And then we also have yung mga team volume commission. Pakasali ka pa rin kasi you are still contributing kahit paano sa sales volume. Now, another thing to remember is, di ba, nagbebenta tayo, we make 10%. You also make 10% kung nakabenta kayo ng loyalty membership. Most of the time, most people would buy loyalty membership because they don't want to they don't want to miss on the commission, lalo kung they are looking at this as at a business side. So, automatic din kayo makakakuha ng $6 fast start bonus. So, it does pay. I cannot overemphasize. Maganda talaga ang may loyalty membership. Diyan kayo kikita ng gusto. Okay? This company is really revolutionary. Simple and lucrative. Kakaroon kayo ng website, magbenta kayo, there you make money. Simple. Power of 2. Open in 195 countries. Basta may internet at pwedeng mag-ship, you can sell it to them. Wala kayong joining fee. Wala ring requalifications. Pag naging team builder na kayo, you'll be team builder for life. As long as you're paying your loyalty membership, you'll stay in the business. Walang chargeback at walang monthly shipping charges. Wala kayo nung mga mag-maintain ng products sa bahay ninyo. You don't even need to keep inventory kasi ang company will deliver this in your behalf. All you have to do is maintain your website, keep referring people, mag-prospect ka na mag-prospect, send out the 2 and the 7-minute video, and then let them attend, makinig sa mga ganitong mga presentation. Do a product launch and a virtual launch, whatever you want to do para lang mai-promote ninyo ang ating business. So you see, it is really a very big company and it does give you a lot. May mga core bonuses. You really will go up there kung masipag ka. Plus, remember, our product hindi nakakahiyang ibenta. Alright? Sa launch natin, hindi ko na papakita kung paano glamorosa ang mga company. I just want you to know that when you work hard, you will be rewarded. In fact, kahit nga hindi kayo ganong mag-work hard, you will get good return with your money. Isipin ninyo, naalagaan ng health ninyo, mapapabuti pa ang inyong wealth. That is why health is wealth and it is great with Hilo. If you have any other questions, we are available at hilosabisisters.com. And do not forget to reach out sa mga sponsors ninyo dyan. Kung meron kayong mga problema, please send us email and contact us. Dalawa nga, hilosabisisters.com and Hilo Sabi Sisters Facebook page. Kami po ang isa sa mga head dyan sa naunang nag-start sa Pilipinas and we are starting. Kaya nakikita nyo kami ang una na may mga Tagalog version. Alright. To recap, wala kayong competitors dito. Mas kasama ninyo, hindi nyo competitor. You help each other kasi kung magka-team kayo, you help each other. Walang joining fee. Walang requalifications. No chargeback, no monthly shipping. Category creator kayo. The company has deep product pipelines. Napakarami pa ng possible ninyong ibenta. Kaya ang laki-laki ng retention dito. Ang laki-laki ng possible bonus and it is a USA public listed company. So you can see why this is a credible company and why now you will understand bakit people like us who have decent jobs still want to do this and take time na para i-publish because we know it can help a lot of people. Mga doctors, engineers, almost everyone with professions, hindi lang sa business sides, are getting into this kasi alam nila na makakatulong ito sa marami. Positioning is key. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, habang maaga, get in. Although we say na we are still only starting, if you really want to get in anyway, start asking questions para may position na kayo ng maaga. Kasi as you can see, kung ikaw nauna, 3 pasok mo, nakaipong kayo ng team ng 1,000, kikita ka agad. Samantalang, pag late ka pumasok, yung mga tao nakakaipon ng $1,000, hindi ka makakasali. pababa pa ng pababa. Kaya nakikita nyo, mas magandang nasa taas ka na para marami pa ang nasa babang maipapasok under you. Okay? For you have also other questions, andyan din po ang ating company site. You can also visit worldgn.com or ito for resources, andyan po ang cnworldgn.com. Again, please don't forget to visit hellosabisisters.com. All right, for all other questions. Thank you so much for listening. Do not forget, nandito po kami sa page na hellosabisisters.com, and ang our team natin is Hello World PH or Hello World Philippines. Thank you.